Welcome to my home.
It's my home too.
Oh yeah, forgot about that. Welcome to our home. Come on in.
We'll be living up the good life, good life. Yeah, we'll be living up the good life, life.
Yo, what's up? This is Sheikh Heikel,
This is Annabelle Francis.
and this is Build It My Way.
Sleeping outside.
Welcome.
I'm just crying because it's been such an emotional journey for us.
Yes, but we still got to do this proper. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the #1 show called Build It
My
Way.
Oh, now you want to say it.
I have to say it. You know, there are two major things that if they didn't come together, wouldn't have made the show a success. One is you, the audience. Thank you very much. It has been a pleasure. Also, very importantly, the brands. That without you, man, we wouldn't have a home.
What's most important is that we get to share with you some tips, some know-hows, and hopefully build your confidence to build the home of your dreams.
So, without further ado,
Here's our home.
Belle, the house is beautiful. I really like it very much.
We went through quite a bit to finally get here, and this is our home. I think this journey has made it a little bit more special because of the people involved, the support that we've gotten, and we want to share this with you because we want you to feel the same way as us. I think when you talk to your ID, what's most important is knowing what you want, and if you don't know, it's okay. Be open, right? There's some things that even Heiko was not agreeable to it, but he opened up, like the fluted panels and looking at a new brand that we've never heard before for furniture. We really are so happy with the end result.
You know, for me, is the understanding. These brands went beyond what they had to do. I really appreciate all of them. And, you know, it takes good people to find good people. So, you know, Belle, thanks for a beautiful home. I think you built a beautiful home for the children and I. So I just want to thank you so much. I really like the house, really.
It's just building a space that you can call home and making it special.
And do it with the right people. And these brands that we've just shown you have the right people, so they bring you really good stuff. I just want to thank Good Life for putting all this together. Thank you very much, Beautiful Homes, and the people behind Beautiful Homes. This show wouldn't happen without you, the audience. So we thank you for joining us. Please do join us for the next episodes that will be coming over a new series.
Stay tuned!
Yup, look out for Good Life. Beautiful Homes is the platform where you will go and get and learn about brands that you might not have met.
Yes. Throughout this whole filming and process, we've been protected by Valio, so go check them out. Bye, everybody. Thank you for sticking with us all the
Peace.
way.
And I hope you guys get to build it your way.
That is so nice. Build it your way.